Not to be left out the road-making section. Right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're all here, and the engine owners, for a so-called experienced commentator, I have an apology to make. I jumped the gun. I wasn't quite looking what was coming in. I corrected my errors, so apologies to you. I could just see engines sneaking round the back, and apologies to the engine owner. We put it right. There's always a first time. After 47 years, you're going to get something wrong, and we've done it today. So, am I forgiven?
Yeah!
Right, thank you. I'm glad I've got some supporters. Right, Mr. Eaton, what is the plan? We have a plan, as Baldrick said. A Mexican way. Now, they did it yesterday, didn't they? Now then, I'm wondering whether they are capable of doing it. I see the Sentinel lads are having ice cream, Ellen. Yes.
10 years, have we cracked it?
10 years. Can we do it twice? 10 years we cracked it. Now, follow your conductor. He had to sneak out last night. He was at the last night of the proms. You didn't recognise him in his posh suit with his carnation on. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, I was just thinking that. Will the back row please, the back chorus line, will you just please be quiet and we'll start again. And Mr. Mills, pay attention. He didn't pay attention that time when they came back. No. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. The back row, you can do your own thing. Let's hear from the back row. Come on. Right. Good afternoon, Mr. Morrison. Right. Now then, can we have 4 ladies who would like to win a very valuable prize? Want 4 ladies. It's not going to be painful. From the audience, I must admit. 4 ladies. We had great fun with this yesterday.